Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set units and taxes on the Invoice Maker application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the three dots icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on settings, scroll down to the units and taxes section, and then you can tap on the taxes buttons to add the tax by clicking on the add tax button. And if you go back, you can also set the units. Here you can find the default options, and you can also add one by tapping on the add unit button down below. So you can add your own unit. Tap on done, go back. You can also set the due dates that you can customize, and the payment method can be selected, such as bank transfer, PayPal, check, cash, other, and you can add bank transfer instructions here to this box. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.